This is my first unboxing video because it is in a box. Yeah, this is I think this is full of human nature products. This was sent to me by Miss April, a human nature dealer, and she has a online shop, and I'll put the link on the information box below. So obviously it is still sealed, so I don't know what are the products inside, so we'll see. So I'm going to open. Oops.
Actually, there's a paper, but I didn't read it because it is like a receipt of the product, so I didn't read, so I will not know what's inside. It's like a surprise video. So it's actually hard. I'm sweating. It's actually hard to open.
I haven't tried any human nature products. I don't have any idea when it was founded, or so that's my research assignment. So I already opened it, and this is how I saw it. It's a crumpled magazine paper, crumpled magazine page, but also from human nature. I think this came from the brochure, so I think I'll be able to see the products as well, even if it is crumpled. So yeah, so we'll see. It's actually good. I can still see the product, and I'll also research about this, of course. Okay, so enough of that. Oh, so I actually got two pieces of their brochure. So it's like an Avon dealer. This is human nature. I think these are all organic. Oh no, these are natural skincare products. I don't know if they have. Oh, they actually have. I was about to ask if they have makeup, and they do have. So enough of that. So these are the products. Oh, these are the products. I don't know what are inside it. So we're going to pick, and we'll see. So first thing I pick is 100% natural. I mean, it's all 100% natural, I guess. So this is sunflower beauty oil. This is how it looks like. So this is still sealed. I'm not able to open it yet. Natural conditioner, moisturizing for dry, rough hair. So where was I? Kasi na lowbat yung phone. Anyway, I think I'm in, yeah, natural shampoo with cream foam, moisturizing shampoo. Then another natural shampoo. I will try to smell. So it says Mandarin Fresh. So it smells so good, I swear. Next is Healthy Lotion. It's a skin a lotion, and it's 50 ml. So I think I also got them in twos. I like the pink cover. Also, I got them into conditioner, shampoo, and as well this, and also the sunflower beauty oil. I also have this and still in a bubble wrap. Let's open. Purifying facial scrub. Both facial scrub. So it's in 50 grams. I haven't opened, still sealed, and I can smell the strawberry flavor. Wow, it's so big. It was a soap. Okay, we'll open it. I love opening and popping these bubble wraps. I actually save the bubble wraps I get from the sponsors, from these generous people who sent these products. Exfoliating bar with vanilla with loofah exfoliants. Also got them in twos. Oh, thank you so much. I'm so happy. Oh, it smells so good. And then, also got them in twos. There's a Human Nature Island Kiss Lip Balm. And also cherry lip balm. So everything is brand new and everything is 100% natural, and so it smells also so good. So what I love about Human Nature already is that it is made in the Philippines. It's our brand, gosh, it's locally made, and we should be proud because we have this kind of product. Look, it's so we should patronize, I guess, and I think just at least try to buy these amazing products. And what I also love about this is that it is cruelty free. I'll just read something from the brochure. Human Nature is the first Filipino cosmetics brand to be certified animal cruelty free by PETA. So plus points, diba? So they have a variety of products here. From you have oil. These are apothecary. Something like something with therapy, natural home and wellness. So you also have so we're going to browse this brochure. This is I don't know, issue number 2 from this year 2015. So you have on the brochure their philosophy: pro Philippines, pro poor, pro environment. Our products. Human Nature is the first range of affordable and genuinely natural products in the Philippines. Each product we create is a pledge to goodness. So we'll read the fact. This is actually frequently asked questions. Why do Human Nature products cost less than most natural brands? We use top quality raw materials and prioritize teaming up with local suppliers even if they cost more. But we choose to reduce profit margins. We push to sell more instead so that millions can afford to use genuinely natural products and do a world of good for the earth and Filipino farming communities. So it's actually too long. I'm going to blog about this actually, so don't worry. I'll put the blog link on the information box below or in the description box below. So they also have just perfect for summer are these SPF lotions. Oh, they also have for kids, not only for adults. And they have the like this sizzling summer savings. So actually it's perfect for summer. So it's actually very affordable. Just look. Oh, I love this. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Thumbs up this video for my very first unboxing video. And thumbs up. Maybe we will have another unboxing vids. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
This